got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
25 verses. What's going on, Kev? What's going on, man? You want to leave somewhere? I'm not going to blow around much. What you running here, man?
The same as last time. I think you recorded me 1212 XT3s on 3/8 gauge.
Yes, sir. You got plenty of it. Yeah, you got plenty of it.
Was it 9?
12. TV4s? XP3s. Oh, shit. That's what I want to put in my car.
He just lost a windshield into the back of a Sundown. Respect, knuckle of a nation.
I got a Burberry back, sipping on
What up, bro? I get you one more. Okay.
Testing, man. You can cut out that other shit.
Hey, yo, hey.
Fucking fat slapper, he's your boy.
Put it up, Rondo. Hey, she zero taught me keep my wit. For Mac 11. First off, you better remember what that sign
I ain't cut up, bro. Where can I find you on social media, man?
On TikTok, Morrison Built, Instagram, Morrison Built, and Facebook, Christian Morrison Built.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow.
Thank you,
bro. Yes, sir.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.